MRD condemns the arrest of Victory Ingabire Umuhoza.
Muvoma iharanira demokarasi mu Rwanda MRD iramagana ifatwa rya Ingabire Victoire Umuhoza.
The Movement for the Republic and Democracy Rwanda strongly condemns the arrest of Victory Ingabire Umuhoza, which took place June 19, 2025, on a bogus claim of her inciting a public disorder and creating a criminal organization.
Muvoma iharanira demokarasi mu Rwanda MRD iramagana n'ingufu zayo zose ishimutwa itabwa muri yombi n'ifungwa ritujuje amategeko y'imirimbanye ya demokarasi n'uburenganzira bwa kiremwamuntu mu Rwanda Ingabire Victoire Umuhoza. Iryo hohoterwa rikaba ryarakozwe n'inzego z'umutekano z'u Rwanda kuwa 19 Kamena 2025 ahakurikiranwaho ibyaha byo guteza imvururu no kumerema umutwe w'iterabwoba ugamije guhirika leta y'u Rwanda.
Umuhoza is Kagame's only main political opponent inside Rwanda. For First Family is ever challenged Kagame in the 2010 presidential election, for which she was subjected to an unfair trial and imprisonment for 8 years on conspiracy charges, being a genocide denial and a terrorist, being declared innocent, however, by an African court.
Ingabire Victoire Umuhoza akaba mu gihe abanyapolitike bose bahunze abandi bakicwa naho benshi bakaba barimo kuborera mu magereza, niwe munyapolitike wenyine gusa wemeye guhangana n'ubutegetsi imbere mu gihugu. Mu mwaka wa 2010 akaba uyu mudamu yarimamarije kuyobora igihugu, akaba bikaza kurangira ahimbuye ibyaha ndetse agatabwa muri yombi akanakatirwa imyaka 8 y'igifungo aregwa gupfobya genocide ndetse n'iterabwoba. Nyuma yaje kurekurwa nyuma yaho ajuririye imyanzuro mu rukiko rwa Afurika akaza kugira umwere.
Umuhoza is one of the very few independent voices remaining inside Rwanda, still challenging Kagame's reign of terror. The rest having been eliminated, imprisoned, and exiled by the blood regime.
Umuhoza Ingabire akaba rero ari umwe mu majwi yarasigaye mu gihugu atavuga rumwe na leta y'iterabwoba ya Kagame, aho benshi bafashwe bagafungwa bakicwa n'ababashije gucika ingoma y'inkoramaraso bakerekeza y'ubuhungiro.
The move of arrest her is a part of Paul Kagame's ongoing crackdown on dissent and true criticism to his regime inside Rwanda, a tactic used.
Umugambi wo kumuta muri yombi ni mu rwego rwo gucecekesha abatavuga rumwe n'abagerageza kunenga iyo leta mu Rwanda. Ubu akaba ari bwo buryo bwakunze gukoreshwa barega amashyaka atavuga rumwe na leta mu gukorana n'imitwe y'iterabwoba n'abagizi ba nabi.
Used by the regime to claim an opposition activity is somehow terrorist and criminal. These arrests come amid uncertainty of Kagame's health, seen by many as an attempt to try to eliminate any potential replacement who is not of his choice.
Uku guta muri yombi kuje mu gihe harimo guhwihwiswa ko ubuzima bwa Kagame bugeze mu marembera, ndetse bikaba badatinya kwemeza ko yaba yitabye Imana, bityo bakaba bashaka kugizayo uwo bakeka ko yamusimbura utavuga rumwe n'ishyaka riri ku butegetsi rya FPR Inkotanyi riyobowe na Paul Kagame.
This illegal arrest is a perfect example of the very in which democracy in Rwanda is dead and the judiciary system is being used as a weapon to shut down all legitimate dissenting political voice.
Uku gufata uyu munyapolitike binyuranyije n'amategeko kikaba ari gihamya nyacyo cyerekana ko demokarasi mu Rwanda itakibaho, ndetse ko n'icyitwa ubutabera cyahindutse igikoresho cyo gucecekesha buri wese ugerageza kunenga imikorere y'iyo leta ya Paul Kagame.
For 15 years, Umuhoza has been subject to endless political persecution, harassment, and intimidation. She has been unjustly prohibited from leaving Rwanda. She remains separated from her children, grandchildren, and her very sick husband in Europe.
ngiyi imyaka 15 Ingabire Victoire Umuhoza akomeza kwibasirwa, gutotezwa ndetse no gushyirwaho iterabwoba, akaba yarabujijwe gukandagiza ikirenge hanze y'igihugu, yewe no guhura n'umuryango we, abana n'abuzukuru ndetse n'umufashwa we uzwiho kubana n'ubumuga mu gihugu cy'Ubuholandi.
MRD calls on this violence against female politicians in Rwanda, which has been ongoing on for far too long. MRD strongly condemns this unlawful and arbitrary arrest of an innocent mother and wife.
Muvoma ya MRD ikaba isaba ko itotezwa rikorerwa uyu mutegarugori w'inzirakarengane rimaze igihe kinini rihagarara. Muvoma ya MRD ikaba yamagana itabwa muri yombi n'ifungwa binyuranyije n'amategeko igihugu cyitwa ko kigendera ko mu mategeko byakorewe umutegarugori ndetse n'umubyeyi w'inzirakarengane.
Enough is enough. Kagame's regime must cease and desist all further ongoing patterns on political persecution, intimidation, and harassment. MRD calls out for Umuhoza immediate and unconditional release.
Rwose rubanda irarambiwe, ingoma ya Kagame igomba kureka ibikorwa byo kwibasira no gutoteza abatavuga rumwe n'abagerageza kunenga iyo leta. Iterabwoba rigamije gucecekesha amajwi yose ashyira amabi y'iyo leta hanze. Muvoma ya MRD ikaba isaba ko Ingabire Victoire yafungurwa nta yandi mananiza abayeho. Ese Kagame azabyemera?
Kagame resist. We call for the international community to put an end to Kagame's impunity, impose sanctions and arrest Kagame and try him for his main war crime. Tukaba duhamagarira amahanga gushyira iherezo umuco wo kudahana waranze Paul Kagame na leta ye, gushyiraho ibihano no guta muri yombi Kagame ndetse n'abandi bafatanyacyaha biwe no kubacira imanza ku byaha bya jenoside, ibyaha by'intambara ndetse n'ibyaha by'inyokomuntu byakozwe muri iyi myaka 30 ndetse no mu karere. And crime against humanity for the past 3 decades. Ibi bikaba bikorewe Washington DC kwa 20 Kamena 2025. Itangazo ryashyizweho umukono na Revera Christine Coleman, perezida wa Muvoma ya Rubanda MRD. Washington DC, this 20th day of June 2025. Reverend Christine Coleman, president of MRD.